All right. We're gonna do a recap today. I'm not doing a face cam because the way of my setup, the way that it's set up, I can't really like put my camera anywhere. So yeah. Anyways, we. Oh my God, Mike! Can you guys hear my cat? Jesus. Um, Today I took a loss, $300 loss. It's all right. Um, it wasn't bad at all, to be honest. I followed my rules and it was a good trade. I liked the trade, but it just didn't play out. So yeah, Monday we had Red Folder news at 8:30. It was really good, and then tomorrow we don't have news. Wednesday's FOMC. I'm not gonna trade, and then Thursday and Friday I'm gonna trade those days if I can, cause I'm gonna be at work. But yeah, coming in. Let me just full screen this shit right here. Hold on, give me a second. Yeah, coming into market open, we have um, what the fuck? What is this? I don't know why it's like that. Okay, I'm gonna try to restart this because I'm not sure it's supposed to be like that, but let me see. Let me open this again. Stand by. Why is it like that? What the fuck? M and Q? Okay, well, I don't know why it's like that, but that is so weird. Is S&P good? Why is it like that? I don't know. I don't know why it's like that. But anyways, we tried. Oh, I don't know. We come into market open. We have these highs that were previously hit, and we have these highs up here, and this hourly fair value gap here. On ES, we had SMT because we did not take out these highs at this point, so we had a SMT right there with Nasdaq that this one actually took these highs right here on this candle, so that's the SMT that we have right there. Okay, let me get rid of this. Yeah, so and then we also had these lows, this gap that was inverse. So I was honestly, I was kind of bullish for the day. I was bullish for the day. I wanted it to come down and sweep these 4 hour highs, lows before continuing to go lower. It did not do that. It didn't come down here, but it did come into this 1 hour fair value gap here. Yeah, market open and then took out these highs up here. Took out those highs. So then after taking those highs, we got initial movement down, and then we inverse this fair value gap here. So after inversing this, my bias was bearish for these 30-minute lows, which I don't know why they're not marked here. For these 30 minutes lows, which were hit eventually. But yeah, so we come into market open, sweep out these highs, and then immediately reject. And then we get a pullback, and then we scale down into the 1 minute, look for entries. Look for entries on the 1 minute. We do get this fair value gap here, which was inverse. So we didn't get any good entries on that. I was waiting for it to come down up to these highs as well, but it didn't even come to those. Yeah, I could have entered off of here, which I didn't because I didn't like the candle. So I was waiting for a pullback into the fair value gap to then come down and then take out these highs, these lows down here, right? So we come down, and then after getting that pullback into the fair value gap, I then enter for shorts right off that candle. Let me see if I can put my executions in. Chart executions, yeah, right there, and then targeting these lows down here. It was a 1.67 risk reward ratio. Wasn't the normal 2 RR that we usually do, but this was the only setup that I could find, and honestly, it was bad setup. It wasn't a bad setup. I liked it, but what I didn't realize is that I had just taken out these lows with this, and I failed to close below, so it didn't even break the structure. So maybe that was my fault. I'm not sure, but come in, and then after that we get these two candles here. So after getting these two candles, I then move my stops here. Yeah, I moved my stops there, and then I guess stopped out. Which after moving my stops here, I was like, I don't know, maybe I should just leave them here to give it room to breathe. And it just made me lose more money, but it's fine. I don't really care about the money. I care more about the setups now. And yeah, it was a good setup. It wasn't a bad setup. I don't know how ES would look on this. Let me see on the 5 minute. Yeah, it's essentially it's these flows down here. ES is even more choppier. It was really choppy today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Okay. Yeah. The only entry was either here. Could have given a better entry off of there, and then put my stops there, and then just target these slows down here. Which you would have been stopped out immediately after like 3 minutes, which is exactly what happened in here. Honestly, I thought I was gonna get wicked out here and then just immediately go down, which I didn't. So I'm glad that didn't happen because I was gonna crash out. Yeah. So I think the trade idea was either here and then these highs up here. But look at that risk reward. That was not good at all. But you could have still held until when? Yeah, price action was just really bad today. But I got a good setup. I liked it. Not an A+ setup, but a good setup. So that made me lose $300 today. You can see this is the first L on this account. The other trades, I usually, the past few days that I traded, I got break even days on those. I would have actually gotten good. I would have gotten a good trade. Except I moved my stops to break even too early, and then it stops us out at break even. But oh man, that is all right. I need to up my size because I was only risking $300. I was only risking what I made. So I'm gonna risk my R. I'm gonna increase my RR tomorrow. I'm gonna risk 500 because we want to pass this account as fast as possible. Obviously taking good A+ setups, but yeah, if I do lose this account again, it won't matter. I'm still gonna buy another one and still get it until I fucking make it work, because that's how it's gonna be. That's how it's gonna be. And I'm not mad about this trade. It was a good trade, good setup, and everyone that took that same trade lost today. So it wasn't my fault. I did what I was supposed to do. I was disciplined and I was patient, and yeah, it didn't pay out, but I like my rules. And we're not thinking about the money. So yeah, I still have plenty of time to figure this shit out, and I'm ready. I am ready to just become profitable. I know it'll take a while, but it is what it is. Great things come with time, and I'm not gonna get mad about it. I've been doing good, and I've seen a lot of progress, and I'm gonna keep doing it and keep improving my trades every single day and show up every single day, even though I lose money. It doesn't matter. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow if I do take a trade. See ya.